today we are going to discuss some important not only questions but also we are going to solve some theory also. Means we today video is very important because we are doing some theoretical part in this video also. So this is a very important video. So watch this video. Order of matrix A is 3 cross 4 and B is a matrix. Order of matrix A is 3 cross 4 and B is a matrix such that and B is the matrix such that A transpose B and B transpose A transpose B and B transpose is A transpose B and B transpose A is defined, then write the order of B. Write the order of B. So this is a question. This is a very simple question, but it is a theoretical question. So may be possible that you are having some fill problem in this question. So order of matrix A is given, that is 3 cross 4, and B is the matrix such that A transpose B and equal to A transpose B and B transpose A are defined. Now if I am saying that A equal, suppose A equal A and order of this is 3 cross 4. Order of this is 3 cross 4. What about the order? What is the order of A transpose? A transpose. What is the order of A transpose? Order of A transpose is, suppose it is B, and what is the order of this? This is order of 4 cross 3. Because rows are converted to columns and columns are converted in rows. So we can say that 3 cross 4 is the order of A, so 4 cross 3 will be order of A transpose. Okay, so we know order of A and order of 4 cross 3. Okay? Now it is given it is defined that A transpose B, A transpose B defined at A transpose B, A transpose B is defined, A transpose B, right, this is defined, A transpose B is defined. So A transpose B is defined. So column of A transpose equal to row of column of this A transpose is equal to row of B, row of B. So column of A transpose is column, it is row and it is column. So what is the column? Column of A transpose is 3. So row of B is 3. Row of B is 3. So what about B? Suppose B equal C. So what is the order of this? Order of this row of this is, it is 3. Now it is clear that row of this is 3. Okay, now what is the column? B transpose A is also defined. So column of B transpose is equal to row of A. Row of A means what is the row of A? Row of A is 3, so it is 3. So we can say that column of B transpose is 3, so row of B is 3 and column of B is 4, because A transpose and B transpose both are defined. So we can say that order of B is 3 cross 4. So answer is 3 cross 4 is the order. Okay students, so this is the answer 3 cross 4. If A equal -2 1 1 -2 -1 1 -1 7 4 and 1 -x -3 its symmetric matrix is symmetric matrix. Then define determine x. Then determine x. So this is question number 8. This is question number 8. So when we are saying about this question, so it's symmetric matrix and we have to find the value of x. So it is, if it is a symmetric matrix, if it is matrix, then if it is symmetric matrix, then it is A transpose equal to A. So we can say that A transpose is -2 -1 1 row 2, convert row to column. So -2 -1 1 -1 7 4 1 -x and -3 is there, is equal to A. A is also given, that is -2 -1 1 -1 7 4 1 -x -3. What about by corresponding elements, comparing of coefficients, comparing of corresponding elements, what happened? -x is equal to 4, so -x equal 4. So what about x equal -4? So this is the answer. This is very simple. -x is equal to 4. May be possible that -x is equal to 4, so we can say that x equal -4. So -1 2 3 and B -1 2 3 4, it is -5 and -6. Then find A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose. A equal to 3 -4 -1 2 3 -1 2 3 4 -5 -6. Then find A plus B transpose. So students, this is a question, and you know very well how to find the B transpose or A transpose, because you have studied more. What is the A plus B transpose? When we are saying about A plus B transpose, it means A means it is 2 3 -4 -1 2 3 plus B transpose, just convert it into, it is -1 3 -5. We convert column to row, -1 3 -5 and 2 4 -6. It is A plus B transpose. It means it is 2 minus 1 means it is 1, 3 plus 3 means it is 6, minus 4 minus 2 means it is minus 9, and minus 1 plus 2 it is 1, and 2 plus 4 means it is 6, and 3 minus 6 means it is 3. So it is your answer. A plus B transpose is